What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to take care of box braids or plaits or whatever you have, if it's any type of braiding hairstyle. And I'm going to be showing you how to take care of it so it can last longer for you and you can get your money's worth out of that hairstyle, because nowadays braids, people charge a lot of money for braids. So stay tuned for more. Okay, I'm back. So my hair is curly and it's like tight curls. So normally when I get braids, it doesn't last long for me because it gets curled up after a while. I say about 2 to 3 weeks it starts to get curly. So what I do before I get my braids, I wash my hair, blow dry it, and I kind of run a hot comb through it so it can last longer. And then that way it prevents my hair from curling up and you seeing the curls throughout the braids. You may see it a little bit in this video because I just went to the beach like 2 days ago in Miami and my hair did get a little curly, but not that much, because I'm going to show you these few tips on how I keep it straight when I have my braids. So I only use like 4 products literally, and it's like really inexpensive. The first product I like to use is by Carol's Daughter. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's by Carol's Daughter and it's called Monoi Repairing Anti-Breakage Spray. And normally I just like it to spray my braids just to keep my hair from breaking or whatever, because normally with braids your hair starts to break off because you're not combing it every day or taking care of it every day. Next, I like to use coconut oil. There, I don't know if you guys can really see it, sorry about that. And this is just a bottle that I got from my beauty supply store, and it was like really cheap. It was on sale when I bought it. And I like bottles like with this type of top to it because it's easier to go throughout the braids and put the oil on your scalp. And you don't have to use coconut oil, but any type of oil will be really beneficial. Any type of hair oil that you like, argan oil, any type of oil. So yeah. Next, I like to use this mousse. This is for curly hair textures and it's by L'Oreal Paris. I don't know if you guys... but yeah, it's in this kind of bottle. I bought it from Walmart. It was really cheap and it's a stronghold. And normally just before I go out, I put the mousse in my hand like this, rub it together and just put it all over my braids. And that's one of the last things I do. I don't do it just before I get out the door because it takes a while for the mousse to settle down in your hair. If you go straight out the door right when you put it on your hair, you see all the white in your hair, like the white foam in your hair, and nobody wants to go out looking like that. But last but not least, everybody uses it, Got To Be glue. I like using the Got To Be glue, and I prefer the yellow one over the black one. I don't know, I just like the yellow one better. And I only use that for my edges because it seems like Got To Be glue is the only thing that I can use that keeps my edges laid all day, literally. Morning, sunset, sunrise to sunset, my hair is laid all day. And then I use my little toothbrush to slick down my baby hairs. So first I'm going to use my Carol's Daughter leave-in anti-breakage spray, and all I'm going to do is just spray all over my braids. And that's it. I actually have the 2-layer braids, so I'm going to go underneath and spray these too. The main thing about protective styling is to have hair growth and to protect your hair at the same time. So in order to protect your hair, you still have to keep oils and different things in it. You can't just get the braids and just wake up, don't do nothing to it. Next, I'm going to go on with my coconut oil. And I'm just gonna go throughout my scalp. I'm looking up top, you guys, because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. But that's all I'm gonna do. Just go throughout and oil my hair. and it keeps my hair and the braids looking fresh, because like I said before, braids are a lot of money. I'm also going to go down to the second layer. Braids are a lot of money, and you want to keep them in for a while, and you still want them to look really nice. And I'm just going to massage it throughout. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm going to go in with my foam. And, well, mousse. I call it foam, mousse, whatever you guys want to call it. But I'm going to go in with my mousse, and I'm just going to put it all throughout my hair. And then I'm going to, at the same time, I'm going to put my Got2b glue on my edges. That way it'll give time for this to settle into my hair. And another reason why I like to put this in last, because it kind of locks in the oil and the repair spray that I just sprayed onto my hair to keep it from, you know, coming out or whatever. So I'm just going to give it a little shake with the chemicals inside rolling. Gonna put in my hand like so. I don't put that much because I'm not putting it all throughout my hair. I'm mainly just going to put it on the top of my hair. Like this. And then you just put it on top throughout the hair. And I also live in Florida, and this helps my hair a lot because living in Florida is very, very humid outside. And being a natural girl, my hair would have frizzed up by now. And it's not that bad. So I feel like this method works. If you guys have any other suggestions, you can comment down below and let me know what else I can do. I'm always open for other suggestions because I really think that I'm going to start wearing more braid styles, because I like the way they look on me and they're easy to maintain. Next, I'm just going to get some Got2b glue and use my toothbrush just to get my baby hairs. And people like their baby hairs a certain way. Hold on. Let me zoom in for you guys. I don't like my hairs, my baby hairs, you know, that much, like a lot going on. You know, I just really like to do the bare minimum with them. And then that's about it. Literally, that is all I do. And I got my beads from my beauty supply store. The girl who did my hair, she applied this string to it, and that I really like it. I really love hair accessories for braids. It makes it look totally different. And just to talk about my hairstyle, it's like it's supposed to be hanging in the back, but I decided to wear it on the side, at least for now. And, you know, that's about it. If you guys love the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. We'll be making more videos for you guys. And just enjoy. Bye, guys.